In this guide, we're going to go over how you can fix your HDR seeming like blurry or washed out here in Resident Evil Requiem. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, I'm currently on PlayStation, but this is going to work on both PC and on Xbox as well. In fact, if you're on PC, what you're going to want to do is actually recalibrate your system HDR first. So open up the Windows HDR calibration app, follow the brightness steps carefully, and make sure you're not over brightening highlights. On Xbox, run the Xbox HDR calibration tool and adjust until the system and symbols barely disappear. And on PS5, go ahead and open up your settings. You can do this from the home menu by opening up settings, and then from here, go to screen and video. Once you're in screen and video, find HDR in here. Once you find HDR, go ahead and select adjust HDR and complete the 3 brightness adjustment screens. Set them carefully and don't overexpose. From here, fully restart your console or PC. Then go ahead and get loaded back into Resident Evil Requiem. And once you're in Resident Evil Requiem, go ahead and go down to options. And what you're looking for is the display tab. So go all the way over to the graphics section right here and lower the HDR brightness slider just a little bit. So you can lower this just a little bit, just like so. You're going to want to do it until it's no longer visible or barely visible. Like as you can see, you can kind of see it here. That's where I like to keep mine. From here, adjust your minimum brightness. And of course, go ahead and adjust everything through here. You want contrast, not haze. And what you can also do is turn your motion blur off. And if it's still looking dull, just try disabling HDR and running SDR, because some displays handle SDR better and appear a lot sharper. So essentially, if it's looking bad, recalibrate your system HDR, restart your device, lower your in-game HDR brightness, disable auto HDR on PC, use DLSS or FSR quality, turn off motion blur, and test SDR if needed. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.